Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Darkpool Algo, and welcome to this last hour, man. I'm decided I wanted to live stream the last hour, and see. I'm working on getting some additional technology going here for the stream. Want to 2022 is going to be a big year for us, man. We're working on a lot of things right now. We want to stream the last hour or two of the day. We want to do the pre-market show. We also want to work on our production quality. I'm test driving some new technologies here. What you're watching now is Restream. It's a service that allows me to stream through the browser. The reason I've got this going on instead of just OBS or YouTube is because I want to be able to do guest streams. I want to be able to invite people to the stream for the last hour, do some live trading with them, and just really kick butt, right? So with that being said, welcome. I'm Darkpool Algo. I am a smart money dark pool, and I'm just a trader, right? I trade all day. Today's been pretty decent day so far. Made some money on Twitter. PayPal's going ape bananas right now. Understand Apple is also making a big move. I haven't seen any news specific to PayPal, so I'm not exactly sure what's making that move. But as with everything, PayPal above 200 goes bonkers. Let's check in on Flow Trade, see what we got going on there. For those of you that are new, this is the Smart Money Dark Pool and Block Trade algorithm software provided by Flow Trade. This is what I use to try to find divergences all day. For example, let's look at BNTX divergence. Seems to be playing out. I want to see what's going on with PayPal. Let's see. Where did it get that thumbnail from? That's weird. Is that even my thumbnail? It's mine. I just don't know where it came from. Sorry, I just need to check in on something. Make sure that that's working, and it is. Wow. Sweet. I will. Oh, I can't get. So the only thing that sucks about going live that way is I don't have my normal chat. Maybe I do. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. PayPal, no divergence really to speak of. I don't know how I'm going to be able to do this. Where it came from. Sorry, I just need to check. Oh, you're going to get some massive feedback right now, I bet, aren't you? Make sure that that's working, and it is. Let's see. Can I pop it out and then kill this? Maybe that's the ticket. All right, man. So, all right, we got Restream going. I don't know where it got the thumbnail for it. I'll have to look into that later. Restream has got some chat going on. Sweet. Can we do a chat overlay? Oh, no, we don't want to do that. Yeah, we'll just do this. Let's do this. Make sure that's working. A lot of this is just for test right now. I will try to find some stocks to play as well. I just want to make sure that. Sweet. All right. So with Restream, what I like about this Restream tool is I can invite guest speakers to the stream right now. So if somebody was like, yo, I want to stream with you, I can invite them. The layout would change a little bit. We could both just basically have a meeting about trading stocks, which is the ultimate goal, is to be a little bit more. All right. That's all right, man. We'll do it next time. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and just stream that into the open. if you're here, if you're watching it for some reason, which I don't know, I didn't really announce that I was doing this. So I don't know if I've got anybody watching. Chat's working. Hit me up in the chat if you've got any requests that you want to see. I'm going to check in on Team, BNTX, Apple right now. PayPal is obviously ripping faces. I'm going to look for a potential target for PayPal, right? Where do I want to put this? This is going to go over here. Best way to do that, grab a Fibonacci extension, right? Go from the low, right? Previous high, back down to the low, right? See if we got, all right, so we just hit the 1414, invalidated this extension. So we move to the next low point, right? That gives us our move for the day. So PayPal, I got a target at 208 cents. 208's target one, and then let's see here. Yeah, 206 target two. So PayPal move. Fully anticipate this pullback here to hold. Right, pulling back to the 34. Right, this at 618, which is also the 15-minute top. So PayPal 200s. Let's see what we're looking like with those. I want to use I think I'm going to use the Tasty Work accounts for this one. All right. PayPal pullback to 196.50, 196. What's an acceptable pullback level? Below 195.78 on PayPal. I'm not going to be interested in this play any longer. It's going to break my key level of support. This is a good buy opportunity, though. If you're interested, I'm looking to grab next week's. Ooh, what do I want to get? You think PayPal's going to have a Lotto Friday? Let's see. Better grab it before it retraces too much. So the PayPal 202.50s are currently at 58 cents. That sounds like a pretty decent lotto to me. 205s have doubled today, so that's one standard deviation away from the mean. On a pullback to support, I'm going to grab a couple of these real quick. Gonna grab a couple of those. All right, we're filled. So now we wait, right? Now we see if PayPal holds the support level that it pulled back into, right? Which is, for me, it's the 15-minute Keltner channel top. If this level holds, we get a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move, right? Coming out of a 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth wave. Do we have a correction period? Possibly. Let's look at PayPal on a little bit time frame just to kind of see what we got going on here. And PayPal, pretty decent move to the upside, out of the 4-hour top, out of the daily mid, right? This is the 15-minute chart. We're looking to target the daily top right at 2. PayPal moves about $10 a day, and it's already moved. Yeah, it's already moved. It's $10. So it may close here, or you may get the last power hour rally. We'll see what happens. Going to keep a close eye on it. I've got a pretty significant stop loss set, but it looks like we're starting to make some moves. I had the 205s for today, or this week's 205s at 30 cents. So we'll see what we do. Let's see what happens. See if we can keep moving on up with the PayPal. We got, all right, double green. Let's see what else we want to look at here. Let's see what other tools we can use to determine position is a valid one or not. Sweet. Coming through the 4-hour cloud up into previous support levels at 200. I think PayPal hits 200 today, ladies and gentlemen. I think it hits 200 to honey. Reason that we got this little pop, see the squeeze right here? So we're in the 4-hour. This is a Squeeze Pro, the 2TM squeeze. So it went from no squeeze to mid to low, no squeeze, low squeeze, mid compression squeeze, high compression squeeze for several periods, right? Little double bottom. Okay. So we're coming out of a high compression squeeze that has released. The mid compression squeezes are releasing, and the low compression squeeze will release. Usually we will get 8 to 10 periods of movement from whatever time frame that squeeze releases on. So if we release on the 4-hour time frame, that means that we're going to get 8 to 10 4-hour periods, or maybe 2 to 3 days, right? Being that these were high compression squeeze, and we had a MACD we didn't have MACD crossover, but we had a MACD histogram crossover. I think we get some movement on it. I'm keeping an eye on PayPal right now simply because, right, I've got a 2-minute chart here and a 5-minute chart here. My support level is this 618. I'm willing to let it come back down to 195.78, just based on if I drew my fibs right or not. Get a little bit of wiggle room, but this is a perfect 618 retracement. If this level holds, then we should get a next leg up. So let me just let some people know about this. Let some people know about what's happening. Backdoor 15 top. Not seeing it. All right, PayPal. Do we get a bounce? Do we get a bounce? Let's find out. Do we get a bounce? A bounce to the bounce to the bounce. Come on. All right, those PayPal 205s for this week are up 5% already. PayPal 205s are up 5% already. Copying the 205. Yeah. Let's see what we got. I think we might have got it. It's up 10% already. We've got about 45 minutes. I'm really only going to give it about another 20 minutes. Let's see if I can show you some charts here. Come on. What I need this chart here. Yeah, the problem with restreaming HD is, yep. So I may have to figure out another way to do this. I may set up a stream computer just to handle, the stream, and actually do my trading off my main machine. Okay, so right at power hour, right? PayPal took a dump. This is a 618 retracement. I am looking for it to hold. If this 618 retrace fails, right? Look at that. If it fails, then I'm going to get out. We've got coming into a 2-minute or 1-minute Ichimoku cloud, right? We've got some strength going on here. We've got some definite strength. That 2-hour squeeze release, beautiful thing. 10x bars across the board. High time frames giving us our buy signals on our 10x. Ready, aim, fire, mid or low. Ready, aim, fire, fired. Right, we got a buy signal off of that. Any profit I make on this, I'm going to roll up into next week's expiration on PayPal, which I already have. Right. 26. I'll take 150. Somebody's messaging me. Who is messaging me? Come on, PayPal. Volume is really low. We need to get that additional volume coming in. Let's see. If we get a pop, I think we hit 165 on that. All right. Just slow moving. PayPal is slow moving. Kind of want to check in on SPX is up. That's good. ES is up. That's good. NQ is consolidating. And we're starting to get some positive ticks. We were negative 250. Moving now. We're starting to get a little bit of positive ticks, a little bit of advance, a little bit a positive advance decline. This is a ticker I'm interested. This is a chart I'm interested in here. Come on. Come on. Let's see what we got. Leave that there. I'm watching the tape right here, down here in this lower left corner. Right. I'm watching to see one if we have news. Oh, what did I do there? All right, so I thought I saw something about PayPal accepting crypto. Customers can reload Starbucks cards with Bitcoin and Ethereum as Coffeehouse explores tokenizing stars. What? That's crazy. Oh, that was a long time ago. All right, I'm just keeping an eye on it. I somehow whiffed on my news here. There we go. Is this the most recent news? Nextet AR integrates with Coinbase Commerce, now accepting cryptocurrency as a payment option. 196.39. It's holding. I'm just not getting enough. There's a lot of flow coming in on it. Yeah, there's a lot of money coming in PayPal right now. Let me show you from a flow standpoint. I'm keeping an eye on my position. Let's do. I thought I should be able to do. Oh, here we go. Look at the flow coming in, not expired. Do I have? I thought I had one that was not. Okay. Look at this is all today. Look at all this flow coming in, right? Massive flow, 197, 220 seems to be pretty significant. Somebody can order this. All right. I should have done it by date. Oh, sweet. So we're getting a bunch of flow, 310 strikes, 270s, 250s, 230s. There we go. All this 197.50 calls for PayPal. I kind of wish they were putting them in at 200. So next week's 197s, right? Coming in at $4. Starting to see some put flow coming in. What I really want to see, excuse me, is this. Let's see. Yeah. It's fighting its way back. Of course, I'm not going to hold this trade much past 330. What is this DVN? Well, what is that? What's DVN? Anybody know what DVN is? Getting a lot of flow coming in on DVN from right, SPX calls, SP. See if we got any news. I have a chart over here that I keeping an eye on, so it's not like I'm not paying attention to my position. Let's see. Insider buying, nothing that's gonna give us a hint. Let's check out what Flow Trade has to say. Ooh, I don't like that pullback. Not feeling that little pullback. Not feeling that pullback. Hopefully everybody can do that, right? I've got volume turned off. Let's see what we get when we put volume back on it. And we're starting to get lowered volume, which is not the best for a stock. It's also not the worst. So if there's no volume, then there's nothing holding the stock up, and it will fall down. Okay, I'm up. Let's see. I'm up 20% on those calls right now, or 15%. I may close them out. I thought maybe we were going to get a little bit more of a rally than what we had. Look at this. Super bullish algo flow up until 1 o'clock. At 1:05, that bullish algo flow is turned into bearish, right? We will see what happens in the next couple minutes. It's consolidating. When in doubt, check the money. All right. So smart money is basically trading with price action, right? Show me some levels here. And we're trading at the 1618. Do we make a Wu-Tang? Is that a possibility? If you're not familiar with what the Wu-Tang reversal is, this is what it looks like. I'm going to use white to illustrate it. You get a move down. Right, you get the move down. You get a move up. You get a move down. Not breaking support, right? And then that final move is the launch. The Wu-Tang pattern reversal. That's what we want. That's what we're looking for. In other words, it's also a Dow 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern. I know I get a lot of flack for not calling it what it is. Everybody's like, "Hey, have you seen the Wu-Tang pattern reversal?" to their friends, and their friends are like, "What do you mean?" it's a simple, right? This is what it is. This is what it is. All right. Looks like we might get something moving. Something moving and a grooving. Look at that move. All right. Those are up 25% now. Here's that rally I was looking for. Please tell me somebody got in with me on this. I want to stream the open and the close. It's really easy to stream the close. Let's see. QIPL calls up percent rising. Let's go. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead. Like I said, I don't want to stream these much later than 3:30, or I don't want to trade these much later than 3:30, just because I've seen, I've just seen them suck the life out of options in the last 30. So the algo selling, prices bearishly diverged from it, meaning prices rallying, the algo selling off. This price is going to come back down and test price action. I'm going to go ahead and put in my close order for these. At see if we can get up to there. See if we can get some 100% gainers. 100% gainers. Here we go. Rip, rally, and roar. What's the volume looking like? You know what? I think we're going to easily hit that. Let me replace this with this. Okay, I'm keeping a tight watch on these. Super tight watch. Watch right. I'm watching the 10x bars. We've got some squeezes getting ready to fire off, right? Mid to high compression squeeze. This will act like a daisy chain. That'll fire and it'll just light this top row up red and this bottom row to go light blue, and we'll just get explosive moves. That's what we're looking for, right? This pullback holds, we should be golden. 196.58 is the break point. 19658, excuse me, 19652 is the break point. If that level holds, then I think we get a rip into the end of the day. Contrarian, if that level does not hold, right, then we're gonna get pretty much our teeth kicked in. watching the tape right now, right? Watching these ask orders coming through. Looking for volume, looking for big ask orders coming through, or excuse me, big, basically looking for it to catch a big bid. So lots of sell orders, 196.72, right? Like I said, I'm okay with a little bit of a pullback, but if it breaks, right, 61, I'm gonna start getting a little sketchy and start getting out of these positions. Let's go, PayPal. Let's rally, rally, rally. Come on. SPX is up. SPX is up to a new high for the day. We're coming into the last 30. Things start to happen there, right? SPX pullback. Just got an alert for some Robinhood calls. Don't think I want to trade Robinhood. All right. So rally up, 2 bars down, third bar should be up. If we have a 3 bar down, ooh, Pfizer calls, huh? $196.62. Come on, catch a bid. Catch a bid. 58, 55. Remember, my level's 50. My level is 50. Tesla's making a move. Yeah, I'm in PayPal stream. Let's go. Okay, come on. There it is, 196.50. That's the line in the sand. That's my line in the sand. It's fighting. Bulls and barrels are going at it at 196.50 for PayPal. Let's go. Watching them bid the ask. Getting some big. Okay, I want to cut these. Gonna cut these. I'm gonna give it the last 30 seconds. If this bar closes on the low, then it's not gonna help. Got a little pop on SPX that might help us. A little SPX pop. SPX pop. This is the one. What does it do here? Come on, PayPal. Get some loving ya. For sure. All right, let's go. Let's go. There it is. All right, here's that rally. Rally to 197.50 right here. Let's go. Let's go. Go check in on the volume. Keep an eye on this taper, actually. $196.70. Ooh, SPS just took a hit. So far, kind of balanced. PayPal's a little balanced. I'd like to see it catch a bid, though. It's got to make a higher high in the next candle or so. Let's go. Come on, PayPal. Watching the tape. I'm also watching the time and sells. I'm seeing more people selling, right? Candlesticks aren't super reactive right now, so I'm watching time and sells. Also watching this bid ask, right? Getting some orders coming through here. Come on. Let's see. Ooh, did you see that one? It just ate up. Oh. It's eating big orders. Look at this. All right. Every one of these is equal to, I think, 10,000 shares or 1,000. So we start seeing 3s and 5s and 20s and 60s, right? Yeah, it's formed a nice little base right now. 1 minute squeeze just fired off. 2 minute squeeze is firing off. See how the 1 minute turned the histogram light blue? Watch this daisy chain effect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As time goes on, the squeezes continue to build. That 1 minute fired off to the upside, though. So that 1 should turn into a 2, to a 3, to a 4, to a 5, right? The 10 minute or 1 minute 10x bar just released. Next is 2. Let's go. So they're going to start sucking the premium out of these right now, right? It's 30 minutes to the close. Price action has to move up exponentially compared to the options price in the last 30 minutes because that's where they suck all the theta value out, right? So unless we get some more squeezes releasing, I don't think we're going to get enough momentum to increase our option strike pretty much above where it's at now, which is about 20%. So I can sit here and fight with this, right? And sit here and hold and hope that, we make a new high, right, off of this existing run. Or I can go ahead and close out for a profit and move on and try to find some plays for tomorrow. It looks like Pfizer's making a pretty decent move as well. I'm starting to get some notifications on that. All right, so this rally, McRally right here, if PayPal can hit 197, let's go. Come on, get past the 80s. Let's go. Big moves. Big moves. So the premium's not even moving on the 205s, right? The 200s, we got premium movement. We've got a little bit of movement on the 202s, but the 205s aren't really moving. One, because it's the last 30 minutes of the day, going into theta decay days, right? Thursday, theta decay. That's what I call it. I'm getting a little bit of a pullback. All right. This should be the last little one. This should be the last one. All right. So catch a bid, PayPal. Let's go. Catch a bid. Come on. 157. Watching these ask orders over here. All right. Okay. Starting to get a little bit of premium built into those 205s. Oh, is Hood making a move? Is Hood making the move? Oh, well, what happened there? $170. Come on. 85 is, I think, the level. Or 90 is. 196.90 is the ceiling right now. If it can crack that, I'm going to give it another 5 minutes. Premium's starting to flow into the options again. Starting to get some buy orders. Let's go. Come on. Don't like the SPX pulling back, though. It's a little sketchy. Jeez Louise. All right. I'm going to go ahead and close these out as okay. 20% on PayPal. Not bad. All right. Looking for some plays for in tomorrow. I like Microsoft. Let me explain why. Rally up. Come on. Ooh, look at that. You see that drop in Microsoft right there? What just happened? 331. Whoa. Did you see that? That's a sweep. That's a sweep killer. It just took out everybody's stops. All right. I want to look one more time at PayPal. I think I might have. Yeah, I'm glad I wasn't there for that little flash crash. I think I'm going to stay away from PayPal. I noticed that Hood's starting to get some flow. Oh, I don't want to chase it. Looking at Shake Shack. DocuSign. Roku. All right, so Roku's got the 200 SMA of the 2 hour at 275. Above that, then it gets kind of bullish. What's going on here with Hood? Let's get Datadog, shall we? Okay, Hood's got a histograms crossover. 34 EMAs at 24.23. The 50 is at 25. I think there's better plays out there. I think there's better plays out there for us. What happened there? We do have Slingshot Squeeze getting ready to release. That DVN that we looked at earlier, they're starting to get some options flow into that. SPX starting to rally. QQQ 400s. SoFi is another one I like. I've been liking to play. I've liked to play recently. SoFi. I think it's starting to make a nice little recovery move. All right, SoFi up to the 382, right? What it does here is going to determine the direction for SoFi for the next little while. This is the first real test of the 34 EMA on the 2 hour, right? If it can break above 17, I might go long. 1750. The 200's way up here at 1850. SoFi, it's definitely trading well below. What happened there? Kind of messed that one up. All right, so far what I don't like is that it's got yellow and red 10x bars, right? No light blue histograms, all lower time frame squeezes. I think it's got a little bit of work to do to try to get back up to 18 or 19. I don't like the 200s way up here, right at previous highs. If we reject this area, we may consolidate for the next couple of days. Let's check out Shake Shack one more time. So yellow 10x bars. Roblox. Roblox has been on a tear recently. Look at that. 68 to 81. Bull flag on the 2 hour. Missed the dip by opportunity. A little $3 dip. I'm not sure what this DVN is, but there was some. Remember we saw that options flow from Unusual Options as price is pulling back. Oh, there we go. Price is pulling back. We've got somebody bought 3,000 of the January 35 calls at $10. Let's see, DocuSign. So DocuSign, what do we got going on here? It's kind of a mess. There's a massive gap that needs to be filled above 155, right? We hit 155 pretty much on the nose and got rejected. All right. Well, I'm not really seeing anything that I'm super I want to swing. Amazon of Africa, how's it doing? Okay, this isn't bad. It isn't good either. Let's see. What's Snap doing? How is Snap doing? Snapchat. Green 10 expires, red 10 expires, red histograms, no squeezes. I think Snap comes back down to 50, to be honest with you. Futu. AMC. AMC might be interesting, depending on... Ugh, that's a lot of red. Lucid. I'm going to just show you guys where PayPal's at right now. What did I say? If PayPal breaks my Keltner channel, I'm going to get out of it. Yes, it's pulled back to the 1618, and it's holding there on the 5-minute chart. I just don't think that there's enough oomph left in the take. This doji candle in the 2-minute, however, ooh, that's pretty right there. So we got a reversal candle. Darvas box low, Darvas box high. I think we might get a move, another move. No, it's not going to happen. Hold on. All right, let's go back and check. Lucid. So Lucid pulled back to the 50, rallied to the 21, pulled back, found support. Looks like it's support held today, which is I was a little bit worried about. GameStop has earnings. Not seeing anything I like on Lucid. DraftKings up 6.8% today. Jeez. Not seeing anything. Maybe. No, I'm not seeing anything in DraftKings. All right, FSLY. Let's see what we got here. Let's see, FSLY. So far, so good. It's currently trading at the 21 EMA. We've got a mix of green and yellow red 10x bars, all red histograms for the squeeze. Got 200 right above us at 44.25. I'm going to pass on FSLY and pager duty, right? Should be super rally off of its move. Had great earnings today. We went over this on the chart. It is currently trading at the 21, which is pre-market hard. So it's consolidation mode. Not really seeing anything. They're still buying DVN, huh? They are still buying the DVN. OPTT. Don't know what that is, but it's probably a penny stock that's rallying. We got here OPTT. Yeah, penny stock. Penny stock pop. Pop that penny. Pop, pop, pop that penny stock. All right, it's 150. I don't think we're going to find anything that I'm interested in swinging for the close. I want to check SoFi and then Frog, Ribbit. SoFi doesn't look bad. It's consolidating. Lots of yellow, green, or yellow 10x bars. SoFi might be interesting. It's kind of a mix. I'll give it another day, see if it can hold the 34. Frog from earlier in this week, I had called it out at 28.50. Let's see how it held up today. Ooh, big old spike in SPX. With highs at 33, I think the Frog call was pretty good. It went 28.50 to 33. I think that's pretty decent. It is pulling back, holding the 50 as support. Seeing 2-day, 3-day, 4-day weekly squeeze. However, these lower time histograms are red, so this is, I mean, it could pull back to possibly 32-ish, right? Healthy pullback to 30. 31.50. Market on close 2.6 billion to the buy side. Just note that for someone. That's bullish. It's a bullish close right there. Let's see, as far as peg stocks go, let's check in on a firm. Hey now, you're an all-star. There we go. Get your game on. Go play. A firm. Ooh. A firm might be a possibility. CLF. Nope. Cree. I'm very particular. I'm looking for a very particular setup. I'm looking for light blue histogram, green 10x bars. And when I find one, you'll see why. Lucid's pretty close. Just it's I've got 5,000 stocks to choose from. I'm not just gonna grab the first one that looks pretty good. Mara might be good until tomorrow, right? Lower time frame, mid and high compression squeezes. This should start a JZ chain effect, right? Where the lower time frames push everything up in the upper time frames. Dude, what are they doing with DVN? What the heck? Look at these it's coming in on DVN. Come on. I don't even know what DVN is, but I know that it's doing some things. Those are big delta trades. Mara's catching a bid. I don't like that it's yellow 10x bars. If these were green, looking a little exhausted. Let's see what else we got here. SPCE space. Negative X US still. I remember when this was $7 a share. Didn't realize it could get to 25 or 23, or else I would have kept my shares. So far, everything's pretty much flat, right? Consolidation. X looks interesting. It's definitely catching a bid. All right, so peg stocks. Let's check our momentums, and then I'm just going to sign off. SWKS. I used to trade this stock. I love trading it. Yellow 10x bars. If these were green, then yeah, we'd do it. Ulta. I called Ulta earlier this week. I like Ulta to 425. Yeah, this would have been a good one to play today. We didn't get into it. A little $5 move. So this is getting closer. All right, Ulta is not too bad. Ulta. So mixed bag of green 10x bars. We like to see that. It's trading at about 1 ATR. It's uptrending. It's coming into previous resistance. Had kind of a choppy day, right? But I do like this. The daily, 2-day, 3-day, 4-day, weekly squeezes are light blue histograms. When those release, we're going to get a pretty explosive move. 15, 20, and 30, and especially the 20 and 30, if those release, I think that has enough power to scoop everything through. 425 is the point on Ulta. I like that. Let's see if we can get into a good trade with Ulta. Oh, PayPal. So this is, I mean, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose with PayPal, right? I had a level, it broke the level. I got impatient and left a bunch of money on the table. I did leave one running though. So actually, they're only up. Okay, so check this out, yo. This is what I'm talking about with Ivy Crush and Theta Decay. I sold out here, right? Right. I sold it out at this level, and it's currently at this level, and the option is only, it's at the exact same price or exact same premium as here. Okay. That's why I said it has to move exponentially in the last 30 minutes to really make some money. I can get into those same options contracts at this level now that I sold them for. So do I like PayPal for a gap tomorrow? Possibly. I'm willing to do a lottery trade on it. I am willing to do a lotto trade on PayPal. I have 1 minute to do it. I'd like to get some time on it though. You know, I'm not going to overtrade. I'll look for a play tomorrow. That's it. I thought about swinging a lotto trade on PayPal, but I think I'm just going to hold off on it. There's too many other options, right? Too many other things that I could look into. 55 seconds. I will do a lotto on Ulta if I can get it for this price. Okay. I just took a lotto trade on Ulta, the 430s. I'm looking to get like 40, 50 cents from it, right? Those PayPals, right? Those PayPals are still the same price that I sold them out for. Okay. Thanks for joining me. I am Dark Polago. I'm here every morning, Monday through Friday. Here's the bell. We'll see you tomorrow. I'm here every morning, Monday through Friday, 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. I do a live stream. Join me. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the video and have a great day. See you soon.